Good morning, beautiful. Jeffrey here again, and I'm back at it again with the vitamin C. So you may or may not have seen my last video all about this wonderful power ingredient, but I'm here to talk to you a little bit more per concern. I read in the comment section that you guys were all wanting to know what product would work best for you. And we know that vitamin C is a really great ingredient for everyone, but sometimes, you want something that's really targeted for you. So for those of you that had questions about what product is going to work best for you, stay tuned. We're going to be talking about firming. We'll I'll recommend products for oily skin. We'll talk about lightening dark spots, and we'll even talk about fine lines and wrinkles. You guys also had a lot of questions about where vitamin C might fit into your routine. All of the products that I'm going to show you today are all serums. So they're really lightweight hydrators. You can use it after your essence, before your moisturizer, and you can definitely use it in conjunction with other products. So I know a lot of you out there that are using vitamin C may also be using retinol. It's good to kind of balance them out. Maybe you do your vitamin C in the morning and your retinol at night. That's a good plan of attack. So, if you're going to be using vitamin C, it's also really important for you to use SPF. A lot of you guys are partnering your vitamin C with retinols at nighttime. So, the vitamin C is really good for protecting your skin from free radical damage and external, environmental damage, but you also want to protect your skin from the sun, because if you're using vitamin C to brighten and lighten the skin and give you a beautiful glow, you want to maintain that. You don't want to put any more spots back on that apple. So if you're a social media maven, you've probably seen this product. It's amazing. This is from Drunk Elephant. It's called the C-FIRMA Day Serum. It's great for firming and brightening the skin. And if you even see here, it's got 15% L-ascorbic acid and pumpkin ferment, which is really great for kind of boosting and brightening the skin. Another great point of difference is that you're getting clean clinical results. So it's formulated without synthetic fragrances. There's no crazy essential oils, silicones, alcohols, or even lauryl sulfate. So next up from Dr. DG, you guys know I love Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the C+ Collagen Bright and Firm Vitamin C Serum. It's going to sink into the skin really quickly, but you've also got collagen amino acids in there, which are really going to be great for sustaining collagen to last in the skin, which is really great for maintaining firmness. So again, these last two products are amazing for firmness. So when you touch the skin and feel that bounce, that's what you're going to get from this product. So next we have another oldie but goodie. This one was one of the first to markets and a first of its kind. This is from OLEHENRIKSEN, and this is the True Serum Collagen Boosted with True C Complex. That True C Complex is a proprietary blend of amazing vitamin C ingredients plus green tea. So it's also kind of soothing to the skin at the same time. Also, this is really great for you oily kids out there because it's a really lightweight formula. It's actually packed with a lot of hyaluronic acid, so it's going to give you good hydration throughout the day. It's never going to feel oily or greasy on the skin. Also, another thing about this one is makeup artists love to prep the skin with it because it really brightens and boosts a glow before you apply your makeup. So next up from Sunday Riley, we have an amazing product for dark spots. This is called the C.E.O. Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. It's got a 15% complex of a THD ascorbic acid, which is really great for brightening the skin. It's a heavy potent vitamin C that's going to last a long time and not oxidize. So you're getting crazy results with this product. If you're wanting to see fast action, brightening those hyperpigmentation or sunspots, check out C.E.O. from Sunday Riley. Okay, so the next concern that we're really going to talk about is all about fine lines and wrinkles. Another really great thing about vitamin C is it builds that matrix of collagen and elastin, so it's really great for minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles overall. It's awesome. It's basically taking both of them, supporting them so they can create a really beautiful kind of support system for the skin and lift and firm at the same time. Loving vitamin C for fine lines and wrinkles. First up is a product that you may or may not be familiar with. This is from Kiehl's. Recently, Sephora has started carrying Kiehl's, which I'm super excited about because all of you New Yorkers out there have been using it for years, I'm sure. This is called the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. This is actually an updated version of a vitamin C serum that they've had for a while. So it's really good for, again, plumping, firming, and instantly minimizing the appearance of fine lines. Then you also have a 12.5% vitamin C complex in here, again, which is a huge high percentage. It's going to be really great for, again, maintaining that firmness and elasticity in the skin and minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So the last product that I'm going to show you for fine lines and wrinkles is actually from Peter Thomas Roth, and this was a brand new one, you guys. This is Potent C Power Serum with a 20% C THD complex as well. So this has that same THD complex, which is really going to help to, again, maintain that mesh in the skin, that firmness and elasticity. Then you've also got a 3% E antioxidant. In the previous video, I talked about how vitamin E is really great to support vitamin C. It basically maintains the longevity in the skin, so you're getting the full effect of vitamin C and it won't deteriorate as fast, which is really, really nice. And then you also have a ferulic acid complex in here too, which we know is really great as a buffer for any kind of active ingredients. So it's really great for calming and soothing the skin at the same time. So this one's a really great product to grab. So, what's the moral of the story? Anybody could use vitamin C. It's really important to incorporate it into your routine, and it's best to find the product that works best for you. So hopefully this video kind of cleared up some of problems and solutions and really gave you some ideas or a jumping off point to try the ingredient out. As always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so because we have tons of amazing skincare videos coming your way as well. And drop your comments in the comment section below. If you have any other questions or concerns about any of the products that we talked about or want some advice on, how to incorporate it into your routine or try new things, or if you have a product that we didn't mention here, be sure to shout it out and I'll try to get to that. Thank you again for watching and we'll see you next time.